Hello everyone, my name is Ayan Chaturvedi and today I am going to talk about the new version of Square One stickerless magnetic cube and the new version of Magic Clock magnetic. These two are from Cubelelo. I have already made a video of unboxing of cube 2x2, 3x3, 4x4, 5x5, 6x6 and 7x7. So let's open Magic Clock first. There is a manual. And the Magic Clock looks like this. There are two faces and there are total 18 circles in this cube. Now let's open our Square One. This is our Square One stickerless magnetic cube. It is in the tougher categories of cube. There are two stands, one of Yoxin and second of Cubelelo. And inside there is a manual. So let's try to solve this magic clock. This is a puzzle that you can solve without learning our 3x3. So first I will scramble it. Let's scramble. The opposite side will be automatically scrambled. So let's start our timer and check how much time did it take to solve it. Let's start. It has been solved just in 50 seconds. It is an easy puzzle that you can solve without learning 3x3. It has been perfectly solved and all the clocks is on 12 in all the face. Thank you.